Today closes the 2023 NAD Teachers Convention being held this year in Phoenix. As a product of Adventist education from the great state of Arizona, I was privileged to attend Tucson Junior Academy and Thunderbird Adventist Academy. I then went on to university, attending Loma Linda University for my undergraduate degree and La Sierra University for my graduate degree. I was also honored to serve 22 of my 33-year career as an Adventist educator in one-room schools, as a multi-grade teacher, a teaching principal, and even associate superintendent of schools. The theme of this year's convention has been something better. That can mean a host of things. A better way of delivering instruction, a better way of tracking student growth through data and accountability, a better and uniquely Adventist way of delivering multi-tiered structural supports, a better way of providing gracious hospitality, a better way to inspire spiritual growth, a better worldview. Our schools are offering communities something better, and even better yet, the life that is to come. In these final hours of earth, I contend it's all of the above. Adventist teachers, principals, pastors, paraprofessionals, school boards, and even church members are embarking on another school year. I wish to remind all of us that our schools have been divinely designed as one of the most primary of church outreaches. The health reform is called the right arm of the gospel message. Then education must be the left arm. Teachers are only as successful as our homes are. Ellen White, in the book Adventist Home, counseled us. In his wisdom, the Lord has decreed that the family should be the greatest of all educational agencies. It is in the home that the education of the child begins. Here is his first school. Here, with his parents as instructors, he is to learn the lessons that are to guide him throughout life. Lessons of respect, obedience, reverence, self-control. The educational influence of the home are a decided power for good or for evil. They are in many respects silent and gradual, but if exerted on the right side, they become a far-reaching power for truth and righteousness. If the child is not instructed aright here, Satan will educate him through agencies of his choosing. How important, then, is the school in the home? Through gracious hospitality, Adventist educators partner with parents. Remember, you're the cooperative extension to the home. I believe many hearing my voice, students, teachers, will be alive when Jesus comes again. You have been brought to the kingdom for such a time as this. Go forth to something better in the might and the power of God this year. We, the church, are praying for you and your ministerial success.